Assistant Pro is compatible with an assortment of different page builders. In this video, I'm going to demo the Elementor page builder. The first thing I want to do is point out that depending on the page builder that you're using, the content app items change depending on how your page builder organizes content. So you can see in this example that Gutenberg, Beaver Builder, and Elementor all work differently and use different terminology, and that's reflected in the Assistant Pro content app. All right, so I have installed Astra, Elementor Pro, and Assistant on these two sites. The first one has some content on it, and the second one here is just a fresh install. So I'm gonna create an Assistant Pro library to stick some content into. Then I'm gonna save this page layout as an Elementor template, and I'm gonna stick this template on my fresh install. So this layout could be imported as page content as opposed to a template, but I wanna show you how Assistant Pro will accommodate the nuances of how Elementor works. All right, so the first thing we'll do is create a library to stick this demo content into. Now I'm gonna launch Elementor to save this layout as a template. Now I'll head back over to the content app, and you'll see that under my templates, this new template I just saved is here in the content app. So now I'll go ahead and save that to the Elementor demo library that I created. All right, now we're ready to go back to my fresh WordPress install and put this page layout up on that site. And in order to get my page layout looking right, I'm gonna have to set my home page to a static full width page. Now I'm in my Libraries app, and I'm going to import that piece of content onto my site. Now the content's on our site, and we'll be able to see it in the content app under templates. And of course, Assistant Pro is just mimicking the content that we have on the back end of our site. So now I can launch Elementor, and we will find that page template in our Elementor templates. So there's our template, and I'll load it up onto our page. So that's the end of this demo on Assistant Pro with the Elementor page builder.